Solve by completing the square. The first thing you want to do when solving by completing the square is make sure there's nothing in front of n squared. And since there is, we have to divide everything by 2. Everything by 2. So you become n squared, you become 6n, you become 5, and you still stay at 0. The second thing we need to do is get rid of the constant on the left. So subtract 5 and subtract 5. Now we have n squared plus 6n equals negative 5. Now that we have all those things changed and moved, take half the number in front of n, which is 3, square that, which is 9, and add that to both sides. So plus 9 and plus 9. That leaves us with n squared plus 6n plus 9, which is always going to be a perfect square trinomial. So it factors out quite nicely to that. And that's going to equal negative 5 plus 9, which is 4. Now that we have something squared equals 4, we can square root both sides. And when you square root both sides, don't forget the positive or negative, so that cancels out. And let's move it up here. Now you're left with n plus 3 equals positive or negative the square root of 4, which is 2. We can take that and split that into two different problems. N plus 3 equals positive 2, and n plus 3 equals negative 2. Subtract 3 from both sides, subtract 3 from both sides, n equals negative 1. Subtract 3 from both sides, subtract 3 from both sides, and n equals negative 5. So that gives me two potential answers, n equals negative 1 and negative 5. And that's completing the square.